Alexa, tell me about the Airpods Pro.
Here's the Wikipedia article on AirPods Pro. AirPods Pro are wireless Bluetooth earbuds created by Apple, initially released on October 30th, 2019. They are Apple's higher-end wireless earbuds sold alongside AirPods. Would you like me to keep reading?
Yes.
AirPods Pro use the same H1 chip found in second-generation AirPods, but add active noise cancellation, automated frequency profile setting, IPX4 water resistance, a charging case with wireless charging, and interchangeable silicone tips. Would you like me to continue?
No. Alright, so I'm just like you guys, man. Like, I heard that this AirPods is like amazing, so went out and bought it and do a little live unboxing for you guys. And I don't know too much about it. I'm pretty sure you guys don't know much about it either. That's why you're here looking up videos, because if you did, you wouldn't really look up videos and specs, right? So, and I'm just a small channel trying to fit in. Well, not fit in per se, but this is it. It's so small. I'm gonna do a lot more of these videos on my channel, so subscribe. And oh man, these are nice. Feel amazing in my hands too. Yeah, I'm just a small guy just like you, man. Just trying to find my place on YouTube. So subscribe to me, like the video, helps me out. And that's a wireless charger, so let's see if it really is wireless. There it is, wireless, like Alexa said. Yeah, so that's what my channel's about. Just a small time guy just like you, trying to find out what these things are all about. So subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching my unbox. Whoa. I know most of you guys want to see this, right? See everything, what it comes with. Some people don't really care for this. I don't really care for paperwork. Just one of those guys that just get the product and mess around with it, and eventually you'll learn the more you use it, right? So I didn't even know it came with a wire. I thought it was all just wireless charging type thing. Oh, and there is the tips. Can't forget about the tips. Small, medium, and large. Those are the small and large. I guess the medium's already on the AirPods. Yeah. Yeah, so that's it, man. That's my channel, Mr. Small Time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more amazing videos. This is Low-Key Fanatic, and I'm out.